Today, we're diving into the world of event scams. We'll look at a variety of scams and delivery methods that cybercriminals use to carry out these attacks. First, streaming platform scams. Many sports events can be watched using online streaming platforms, but now, cybercriminals are capitalizing on this trend with streaming service scams. Whether it's the Olympics, professional football, or a college match, cybercriminals are posting ads and comments advertising their free streaming offerings for these upcoming events. Watch out for these ads and links on social media, in phishing emails, and on fake websites that spoof popular streaming platforms. To avoid such scams, think twice before clicking on an ad or a link that promotes free streaming of in-demand events, and try to stick to the official broadcast list on that event's website or social media page. Next, let's look at ticket scams. Ticket scams on social media are a growing trap for eager fans. Say you spot a post on social media advertising last-minute tickets to a sold-out concert. The price seems too good to be true, and you haven't heard of the account advertising the tickets, but you are eager to see the performer. You follow the link on the social media page, enter your payment information, and buy the tickets, except the tickets never arrive in your inbox. When you go back to message the seller, their social media account is gone. To avoid instances like this, always be sure to purchase event tickets from official or reputable third-party resale platforms. Last, let's look at event-related phishing emails. Some phishing messages may mimic well-known ticketing services, complete with the official logo and language taken from the company's actual emails. Others may offer exclusive access to both real and fake events. When it comes to receiving event marketing through email, always make sure to verify the sender's email address and hover over the links before clicking to check if their true path leads to a trusted source. Or go directly to the company's website instead. Always do your research before interacting with an email offering an unsolicited invitation to an exclusive event. In the world of event scams, knowledge is your best defense. By staying vigilant and up to date, you can enjoy the real event without the fear of being played.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.